Hey guys, how's it going? So the stock market is not allowed to crash and we are heading for blue sky breakout. So Dow Futures Jumps immediately reported that Trump is preparing for $1 trillion infrastructure proposal, more money printing to build infrastructure, and who is going to take all this money printing? Babies of the new America. Basically, yeah. People in the future are going to be paying this off for years. This debt will never be paid off. I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know what the future holds for the United States, but there's going to be some consequences down the road for all this money printing. Short term, sure, this thing is just good. Short term is good because this will stimulate the economy. This will get the stock market to go up. This will possibly help Donald Trump become the president again for the next 4 years. But there's going to be some consequences down the road with all this money printing. Anyways, to the market, Dow Mini is up 638.84 points this morning. The SPY is heading back to 52-week highs. So it's crazy. The Asian market is super green. The European market is super green. Oil is green. Gold is green. Natural gas is down. 10-year yield is up. The entire yield curve is up, actually. Yeah, everything looks green. Everything looks positive. I would say become a bull. But again, not financial advice. If you want to be a bear and you still think the market is going to crash, then stay out of the market. It's that simple. It's that simple. I'm probably going to put my money back gambling that the market's going higher. But that's me. So we'll see what happens in the future. I honestly believe that we're going to come back here and we're going to head to blue sky breakouts. I think the stock market will hit all-time high and Donald Trump's going to come out and said, I am the best. The stock market is going, look at the stock market. That's what he's probably going to say somewhere in those lines, because he likes to show off when the stock market goes up. So there was an interesting stock today that went up 35.51%. IQ went up that because why? Because Tencent aims to buy a large stake in IQ. So IQ stock went up massively. Tesla this morning is up 2.58%. Won't crash. Market goes up. Tesla goes up. Downgrades. Who cares about downgrades? Who cares about when next earnings report comes up? Tesla stock's going to crash. Oh, not crash, but Tesla's earnings are going to be bad. Who cares that car sales have gone down dramatically? It doesn't matter. Tesla was in a bubble, will remain in a bubble until the stock market crashes. If the stock market crashes, Tesla will crash. If the stock market goes up, Tesla will go up with the market. Nikola Motors is primed for a short squeeze. At least that's what one of the articles says. I think shorts are getting squeezed right now. Why? Simply because there were so many people becoming bears thanks to Jeremy, thanks to Hyperchange, thanks to basically the YouTube community, and Andrew left. They're all going to get squeezed. The stock's going higher. I say Nikola is heading to $100 in the near future here. Could be wrong. Pure speculation. We'll see what happens. NEO stock is up this morning 64 cents, 9.37%. The market just seems to want to keep going up. Walmart this morning is only up 53 cents, I don't know about you, but Walmart looks very attractive down here simply because I think, it can bounce back to its 52-week high of $132. So that's what I think is going to happen. I don't know for sure. They not too long ago, they announced that they're partnering up with Shopify to try to take on Amazon's monopoly of online sales. So I think consumers are too used to buying on Amazon that Walmart's gonna, even with Shopify's help, I think Walmart will have a hard time competing with Amazon. But it doesn't matter. Like that stuff doesn't matter. Look at where Amazon stock is. It's right at the very bottom of the Bollinger Band. I'm expecting in the next couple weeks the stock to go back all the way up to, at least 224 or even back to 132 in the short term. That's what I expect. I don't know for sure. Probably gonna buy some call options on it just to gamble. Shopify this morning is down $2.47, but if we look for the past 5 days, well, actually just yesterday, it ran all the way up to basically blue sky breakouts, I think, or back to 52-week high. So I think this is just a little small correction that's happening today. Hertz, I thought the company was gonna go bankrupt. I thought, all this news media saying that Hertz will need a miracle to avoid wipeout. And today, Hertz is green. And after hours trading. I mean, I just really doubt that retail investors are causing this, because it just makes no sense that it's up 13 cents after hours. Not a lot of retail investors have access to after hours trading. So to me, it just makes no sense. It looks like big money is pushing this up. Big money is gambling that the Fed. I think this is just me personally, but I think big money is thinking that the Fed is going to bail out Hertz. That's what I think. That's why it's getting pushed up this morning. Luckin Coffee up 46 cents this morning, 11.53%. But yeah, let's forget Genesis brands. Genesis this morning is down 30 cents, 6.64%. Zoom this morning is down 82 cents. I'd be more bearish on Zoom simply because it's at its 52-week high, and I expect a pullback. That's what I expect. I don't know if that'll happen, but let's see. Let's look at the charts. It's right at the very top of the charts. RSI is at 73. MACD is at basically 50. Basically all-time highs right now. So I'm thinking that Zoom's gonna pull back. It's gonna have a massive correction down to around $200 in the near future, but that's my opinion. I don't know if that'll exactly happen. Zoom could go all the way up to like $300. I don't know at the end of the day. I don't know what rich people want to do with Zoom. McDonald's this morning up $1.48, 0.78%. Nordic American Tankers up 3.82%. DHT Holdings, I was thinking of buying some DHT Holdings before the market opens, simply because Nordic American Tankers is up massively this morning, so I'm assuming DHT is gonna follow. And DHT is it's like twice the size of Nordic American Tankers, yet the market cap is only, $100 million more, which makes absolutely no sense. And another thing, DHT also has bigger ships and more ships than Nordic, and they're trading at a huge discount compared to Nordic. Carnival Corp up this morning 2.01%. Not too much to say about that. American Airlines this morning up $1.70. Did we talk about American Airlines? Yeah, no, I didn't. Carnival, American Airlines Don't know why people want to pump this stock so bad, but it just makes no sense in my mind. A lot of people are saying that people are going to fly again in July, but I don't know. Just will people travel in Europe and across the world? Is things going to really go back to normal, or is just American Airlines is one big giant bubble and we're heading back to $30? That could be. I think it's a possibility. If it does head back to $30, I'm totally buying put options, like just loading up on put options on American Airlines. Gamestop this morning up 10 cents. Booyah! Because I still own shares of GameStop. Canopy growth this morning is up 41 cents, 2.45%. Because Canopy went up this morning, Aurora will get dragged up along with Canopy, up 35 cents, 2.64%. Kronos Group this morning up 23 cents, 3.53%. Afria this morning is up 19 cents, 4.24%. Tilray up 4% this morning, 34 cents. Hexo is also up this morning, 4.5 cents, 4.62%. Organigram up this morning, 3.55%, 7 cents. So everything is looking really good across the board. Almost everything is green today except for maybe a few stocks. Market SPY is no longer going to crash. We are heading back to I believe that we're heading back to $323.20 and possibly higher. That's what I think is going to happen. I think we're going to head for Blue Sky Breakout, and Blue Sky Breakout would be a break of about 340. If we hit 340, that's Blue Sky Breakout. And like my W prediction is no longer viable because of the Fed buying up corporate bonds, Donald Trump printing more money for infrastructure, more jobs, and everything like that. That's just stock market positive for the short term. So Warren Buffett lost out. He should have kept his airline stocks. He should have just kept his stocks and gambled that the Fed was going to save the day. Fed pal saves the day. Nope. Donald Trump likes to play the numbers game, and he's like, oh, the America looks like it's suffering. I'm going to sell my stock for a bigger bucket. May not happen now. Well, it still might. When the election comes around, we still might see a big crash, but we'll see though. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day.